Hi. Right then, so today we're going to make some wallpaper for our mobile phone. And we're going to make a heart, and we're going to put some text on it with a special gradient in the background. This is how we're going to do it. So to create the heart, we're going to need to choose the rectangle tool. And we're just going to draw ourselves a rectangle. Doesn't matter what color it is to start with. Now we're going to need a copy of this. So we're going to use the selector tool. We're going to press Ctrl and D on the keyboard. And then we're going to click the rectangle, and while we hold the control key, we're going to drag the corner handle so it's rotated 90 degrees. Now we're going to need to align this thing up. So we're going to go to Object and choose Align and Distribute. Over on the right hand side, we're going to make sure that we've selected both objects. We're going to align them like so, and just reposition them back in the middle of the screen. Now we're going to join these two shapes together. So we're going to go to Path and choose Union. Click on the object again and use the corner handle, and while you hold the control key you can rotate it 45 degrees. So it's getting close. Now we're going to round it off a little bit. We're going to select the node tool and we're going to highlight the heart. So all those little nodes turn blue. We're going to choose the corners tool, and then we're going to select all the top ones, but we're going to deselect this one here by holding the shift key and clicking. Now it's deselected. Then we're going to grab one of the little corner handles and we're going to drag it until the pointers more or less touch and let go. And there's a heart. Now if we want to, we can round this bottom corner. Select the bottom node and just drag that corner like so. And that's the first step. So there's our heart. I'm going to position that roughly in the middle of the screen. Now I'm going to need a copy of this later on, so I'm going to duplicate it now. I'm going to Ctrl and D, and I'm just going to move it out of the way. I'm going to need that later. Okay, next step, we're going to select the text tool. That's this tool here. I'm going to click somewhere on screen, and I'm going to type a word. I'm just going to type wow. Now, I need it to be a different color, so I'm going to highlight it, and from my colors palette, I'm going to select just another color. It doesn't matter what the color is. And now, I'm going to position it back onto the heart. I'm going to resize it. A bit distorted, but that's fine. And I'm going to rotate it. So when you want to rotate it, you just click on the object and the resize handles change to rotation handles. And there we go. Now we've got our wow. Okay, next job. We just need a background. So we're going to select the rectangle tool and just drag a background over the whole image and choose a color for the background. I'm going to go for blue. And I need to send this to the back. It's on top of everything. So I'm going to use the selector tool, and then up here we've got 4 little icons. I'm going to send it to the back, and now I'm going to shift click to select the heart and the background. And now I need to cut the heart out of the background. So go to Path and Difference. And the heart's gone. Okay. Put the other heart over the space, and we will resize this. Now if you hold the shift and the control key and drag, it makes it bigger. Okay. Now for the gradient. Another rectangle, drag it over the top. In your fill, select the gradient tool, change the last stop so it's 100% alpha. And now add another stop, but give it a different color. Another stop, different color. Another stop, different color. Okay? You might want to make those colors really vibrant and bright, like so. Okay. Now I need to send this to the back as well. To the back. Now select the heart and the text and choose difference. And there we go. All ready to go.